In today's video, I'll be guiding you to download the Mortuary Assistant on any PC or laptop. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open any web browser, and then once you're here you want to go to the search bar and type out Steam. So now once you've done that, you want to make sure to find the official website for Steam, then go ahead and click on the first link you see that says Welcome to Steam. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the top of your screen and click on Install Steam. So now once you've installed your Steam, you now want to follow each and every step that I do in order for this to work. So now once you've installed your Steam, you now want to go ahead and follow each and every step that I do in order for this to work. So go to the search bar and type out the Mortuary Assistant. So now once you've located the game, you want to now go ahead and click on View Page. Then in order to play it, what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Add to Cart. Then go ahead and click on it. Then don't forget to click on View My Cart. And then all that's left for you to do now is to click on Continue to Payment. Now once you've done that, you will be directed to a page to put in your basic information as well as your payment method in order to buy the game. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe.